how to make a raspberry lemonade mocktail, which is going to be perfect for you to share with your friends and family this weekend. So what you need is 1 scoop of the Happy Way Raspberry BCAA powder. I'm going to be using about 500 mils of soda water. You can also use mineral water. I'm going to be using about a cup of ginger beer. I'm going to be using 1 cup of frozen raspberries, which I'm going to crush slightly, and the juice of half a lime. Now you just need a jug for this one, so just pop all your ingredients in there and mix it all up together and enjoy. So you can add other fruits and herbs into this as well to spice it up a little bit. So I'm just going to dice up some strawberry and add that in there as well. You can also add mint to this one or some kiwi fruit, or you can just keep it plain raspberry. It's completely up to you.